Guys, very exciting news for you Android fans. Got a couple of news from Android Authority Phone Doc. You really should install this Android Authority app. It's really good. It really gives you a lot of stuff. And if you don't, you're missing out on life. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the Sega's V2 Android phone. Look at this. So it was revealed the CES 2015. Must say I've never even heard of Cyanogenmod before, but still a very good phone. So look at it. It's amazing specs. 5-inch 1080 display. Snapdragon 801 2.5 GHz quad-core processor, 3 GB of RAM, and 4.4.4 KitKat. It's 21 megapixel rear camera, dual flash, and 13 megapixel front shooter as well. It's amazing for this kind of phone. Wow, fingerprint scanner and wireless QI charging. Wow, it's not bad. And the key feature of this phone, 320 gig of storage space. Yeah, the one thing amazing is the built-in root access. It's amazing, man. To me, it's one of the most amazing phones in 2015. Well, I hope you're done reading this, because I'm gonna get out of this in 5 seconds. Okay, we're done with that. Okay, the other thing I want to show you is this. Yes, the Moto X Pro. For all the Chinese people, or those living in China right now, I think this is really a blessing for you people. I'm just gonna go quickly quite down, because you can read this later. Yeah, okay. It's basically a Nexus 6 handset, but it's just that it doesn't run on stock Android. It's using Motorola's whatever software. Okay, it's the same specs, 6-inch display, 2.7 GHz Snapdragon 805, and well, this battery super man, 3220 mAh battery. And the camera's not as good as the Cyanogenmod one, but still quite good, 13 megapixels. Sorry about that, subs. Yeah, it's just one of my groups. Well, you can look at this amazing phone for a few seconds, and I'm just gonna get out of here. Okay, where is it? Oh, yeah, and this too. Okay, this is the HTC HD2. Alright, and surprisingly, Lollipop gets spotted to it. Well, let's say the processor's not as good as the rest, but wow, it's really a major update. Look at this. Amazing, right? I've like never seen a phone from 2.2 froyo to Android 5.0 Lollipop. It's really amazing. The users must be like damn delighted.
Get out.
Get out. Sorry, that was my brother right there. Yes, and this is one of the main things. So, Okay, very exciting users, very very exciting news for Cyanogenmod fans. Look at this. Okay, it's based on Android 5.0.1. Okay, Google's latest build. Okay, so the official stable release is about 85% done. It's quite good. This was released like a few days ago, so now it should be quite better. So, and believe the Nexus 4, Nexus 6, Nexus 7 with the 2013 Wi-Fi version 1+1, LGG3, HTC 1, M7, and M8. Yes, you all will have CM12 already. You all have CM12 already. You can start installing right now if you want, but I wouldn't take the risk right now. It's still under beta. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here quite soon. Okay, for users who don't have the Android Authority app and don't intend to install it, you can just Google L is for lollipop on Google, and it will lead you to Cyanogenmod's page. Yes, and the LG G Flex 2. Yes, this is what I want to show you. Okay. This G Flex phone is damn amazing, man. I tell you, it's really very amazing. Comes in red and silver, but not as much as silver. And I'm sure you all don't want to read all of this stuff. If you do, you can just install the app and just read it. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom in right to the specs. Okay, the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 800. Okay, it's the 810, 5.5-inch Full HD P OLED, 32 GB ROM with micro SD slot, basic stuff. Rear 30 megapixels, yes, with laser autofocus, 2.1 megapixels front cameras, not bad. 3000 mAh with fast charging. Okay, that's quite useful for some users, I'm sure. Oh, and it runs Android Lollipop, it's quite good. Yes, and for you HTC users, this must be quite happy news for you. HTC reports quarterly sales increase, okay? It's quite good. And okay, you may want to look at this. Snapdragon 810 is now officially here with the LG G Flex 2. You can YouTube this Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 on YouTube, and I'm sure it'll come up. Anything else I missed? Okay, and we're done with Android Authority. What about drippler? Some interesting things. Drippler is an app you can find on Android and iOS if you're an iOS user. Yeah, it gives you information about Apple and Android software. So yeah, it's quite a good app. Yeah, these are the apps they recommend for your lock screen if you're an Android user. I don't think iOS users can use this because I don't think you can customize your lock screen. Okay, the apps they recommend: dash clock widget. I think it's something that replaces a clock, something like that. You can read that for a while. Okay, and now we're moving on to AC display. Okay, according to them, if you're jealous of Moto X's cool active display feature, you can try it. It's it's a great application that somehow copies the Moto X's active display feature. Let you read it for a few seconds. Okay, moving on. Okay, start. So what's this? Oh, cool. Okay, it allows you to make a call or send a text message with a single swipe. It's not bad. Okay, side lock. Okay, it's not too new. Okay. And I'm just gonna keep quiet, just gonna let you read this stuff. Okay, I'm quite sure you've read everything. If you haven't got enough time, if I was too fast, sorry for that. You can just download drippler and just read that. If you don't have enough space, I think you can just Google drippler and it will give you all this. Okay, and if you have the drippler app, that's good. It gives you all the shortcuts to download this stuff. You don't have to go to Google Play Store, the Apple App Store just to download this stuff. Okay, oh, this is. Okay, this is for most people who have data usage problems.